All right, we're now ready to put a hanger on the back of our piece so that we can hang it on our wall. I like to use these little sawtooth hangers. So the very first step is to measure the center of our wood panel here. And this one is 8 by 10. So I'm just gonna put a mark at the 4-inch mark there. I'm gonna place my hanger in the center. I use some tweezers to hold my nail in place. You could use some needle nose pliers. Make sure that it is centered before you start to nail it, and also make sure that the nails that you're using are short enough. Like for instance, you don't want this going through the front, is what I'm saying. All right, I redid my mark so it's where I could see it, so I didn't have to constantly try to move it in order to be able to see where it was. All right, I made my nail mark, or my center mark, a little bit lower so that I could see it a little bit better. The end of my tweezers don't really want to hold that nail, so I'm gonna hold them a little bit up. I hammer it just a little ways in. It doesn't need to be all the way in for the next one to go in. And once they're both in place, then I can just hammer it. But there we go, we have our hanger in place and we are ready to hang it. We'll see you in the next video and I will show you how to clean up all your tools.